Hello, welcome to The New Sound. Today we'll explore what a drum sample is and how it relates to the music we make. A drum sample is a digital individual drum sound or recording of a drum groove. These samples can range from individual hits like a snare or kick drum to complex rhythms. Producers use these samples to create or enhance drum tracks in their music. Drum samples are popular for several reasons. They provide consistency in sound quality, they're easy to manipulate, and offer a vast range of styles and textures. There are two main types of samples: one-shot samples and loops. One-shots are single hits used to build drum patterns, while loops are pre-made drum grooves that can be used as is or edited to make a unique beat. You can find drum samples from sample packs, online libraries, or even creating your own using a drum kit and a set of microphones. Remember, the quality of your samples can significantly impact your final track. You can integrate drum samples into your tracks by layering them with an existing drum groove or build an entirely new drum groove. However, be aware of copyright issues. Always use royalty-free samples. Drum samples are a useful tool within music production and can offer endless creative possibilities. Experiment with different samples to find out what works best for your musical style. Thanks for watching. Keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.